morning and welcome back to another video. This is Vlogmas, and no, not in the type of Vlogmas of all the other content creators. It is, well, I'm just setting myself a challenge to try and vlog 12 times over the course of December. So technically, I'm giving you the 12 days of my life, the 12 days of Christmas. You get the gist. I am on my new camera, the Osmo, so I'm not using my phone anymore. So I wonder what the camera quality is like. So I'm excited to see that. Of course, I'm making my morning tea, lemon. This was half that was in the fridge, so it's got a bit hard. Water, a bit of honey, and a bit of salt. And if you don't know, you probably don't know, if you've been seeing on my Instagram stories, Dora has had an upset belly for 4 or 5 days. Like, we took her to the vet, so we've got her special food, a special paste. Let's try it for another day, and then if it doesn't work, we need to go for the next step from the vets. So I've just given her early breakfast to try and get that paste in her, just to see if it is helping. But she's still totally fine within herself. She's eating, drinking, playing, which is a good thing. So today, it's moving day for me and Dan, or Dan and I. And a little bit crazy that we're moving house. We're prioritising the Christmas decorations. I want to take them today. Of course, I've still got to do some work. I'm going to do some work sitting on the sofa with Dora now because Dan's still in bed. Then go to the gym, got a few calls before I need to leave. And then we're going to spend the afternoon at our new house. Exciting times before Christmas. Hopefully the new house will feel a little bit more Christmassy than this place. But come along for the ride. You might get a house tour. Hope you are all doing well. And I'm excited to show you where me and Dan are going to be living soon. It is time to make some breakfast. Dan still isn't up, so just breakfast for me because I want to go to the gym. I've got the tracker following me, so I don't know how much you'll be able to see of me actually cooking, but I bought some figs because I feel like me and Dan really need to start varying our fruit up a little bit. So it's nice and soft actually. I'm just gonna make a yogurt bowl with some oats. How good does this look? On my screen, this looks like a really funny colour. Why does it look like that? I thought I would come and just show you Dora. She's just sleeping. Her energy is normal. I think she is just a bit tired, where she's getting up in the night, not sleeping properly. So, coming to enjoy my breakfast with her. That is really good. If you haven't tried having fig in your yogurt bowl, you are missing out. So I'll talk you through it, and then I've got to get ready for the gym. Protein powder and yogurt as my protein source. Tick. Oats, fig, honey, blueberries as my carb source. Healthy fats, chia seeds and peanut butter. And obviously my fibre is the blueberries, the fig, in the oats as well, and a bit in the peanut butter too. So, oh, and loads in the chia seeds. So plenty of fibre in this bowl as well. So I will crack on with the rest of my day, and I'll see you when me and Dan move to our new house. Right, I am back from the gym. It was like an upper body session, it was quite good. And then Dan was finally up, so we sat and had a coffee together, and we're just out with Dora. But it's taking her ages to get going. I've walked in one direction, then the other direction, and even now she's like not really enjoying the walk. There we go, come on in. She just keeps pausing and like pulling on the lead, which isn't normal, but yeah, so strange. Oh my god, there's a pussycat, but a scary looking pussycat. Please don't come at us. Come on, Dora, this way. Keep going, keep going. Oh my god, why was that so scary? Yeah, I am doing an advent calendar challenge with my clients. So, and today's advent is a 20-minute walk. So just small 1% that we can do every day to make December a little bit better than if we was to do nothing. Because a lot of the time people think, oh, I'm just going to write December off, I'm too busy, I can't do this, can't do that. But really, I've made something for my clients that even if we don't get to the gym in our week or whatever, we are still doing 1% more than if we was doing nothing. So that's kind of the aim of the challenge. So what I will do is pop it on the screen so that you can also see what we are doing. So when this is uploaded, you don't have to do it each day, but what you could do is go, you know what, today does look like a normal day. I am gonna maybe prioritise my fibre or go for an extra walk because I've got that time, or it's a lovely day like today. So yeah, I'll pop it on the screen, comment if you are going to get involved, and just do that little bit extra in December. And we're finally off to our new house. Got Dora here, let me show you Dora. Here she is. And we've just got a carload of random stuff. So yesterday, whilst... No, you're not going to play darts. No, because I didn't bring any... Did you bring screwdrivers or anything?
Oh, no.
So last night, because Dan was at work, I decided to like just box some bits up, get like the dartboard thing down. The only thing we haven't packed is the Hoover. But it has been deep cleaned, so part of me is a bit like...
Should we go and get it?
But it has been deep cleaned.
I think we should get it.
Or we just don't put it up today and we just drop everything off and then we'll put the decorations up on Saturday.
Well, we can put it up, but then if it needs to do it, we'll do it on Saturday.
Yeah, that's true.
No, I'm not...
We'll have to Hoover again anyway.
The only reason I'm bringing the Hoover is if the tree would make a mess, but I don't think it will.
The tree will make a mess, but we'll just Hoover it up on Saturday. So yeah, just random stuff. So we're going to dump some stuff off so we can take some boxes back. And then I am going to book a removal van to get all of like the big heavy stuff in the next few weeks. I will give you a little house tour before anything is put in. I feel like that will be good. Maybe I'll show you our Christmas tree. It's nothing too special. We've bought some coffees with us and some baked oats for a snack. I don't think we want to stay too long at the house because we kind of do want to avoid traffic. Oh, hello. We do want to avoid traffic on the way back.
Okay.
We are in our new house. Do you like it? No, do not chew up that carpet. She's got zoomies. Oh, she's a happy doggy in our new home. So I am going to do the little house tour. I'm currently at the front door. We've already put Dora's, we're taking that back with us, but we've put that there so she doesn't run up the stairs. We lead straight to our big bathroom. They have said that we can put mirrors up in the walls, so we are renting this. But what you have to do if you're renting, when you leave, you have to leave it exactly like this. So we will put like a mirror and maybe get some like storage stuff for toiletries and stuff. So that is the bathroom right in front of the front door. Then we have got our living room, and I don't mind these blinds, to be fair, so we'll probably just keep them. Here is Dora. This is the living room, quite a nice living space. So we'll probably get our sofa, and then I think this time round I would like a TV stand rather than putting the TV on the wall. It just gives so much stress trying to take the TV off. So I actually think a TV stand. Do you, Dan? Then we go to the kitchen. I love the kitchen. So we've got like a bar thing. So we will probably have like high chairs and we'll probably eat there most of the time. But we've got this little space here for a table for when people come round. Obviously normal kitchen stuff, as you wish. Then we've got a little utility room and the back door to the garden, which you've seen, and we do have use of that garage as well, so we've got lots of storage out there. I'm probably going to keep that as the back door that Dora goes out of. Do you agree, Dan?
What?
Leave that as the back door Dora goes out of.
Where else is she going to go?
The living room back door.
Is there a bigger step? Or?
Well, no, with the carpet. There's no point in the winter.
Yeah, no, but if this is... Oh, okay, yeah, I get you. That's probably the same size, actually. We need to get another ramp anyway.
We'll get her a ramp, but I don't think ever let her out that door.
I don't want to go back. Out.
Here we go. And upstairs. So, we'll start off with the bathroom. Have we got 3 bathrooms in this place?
2.
No, we've got an ensuite as well. So this is the guest bathroom, which has like a bath in.
I'm definitely going to put our crate in here with us.
Are you?
Yeah, look here, just here.
Okay, wait. Then I think this is the spare room. A little cupboard there for extra storage. But this is probably the spare room for when we have people over. Then Dan is currently in our bedroom. And I actually don't think this is the biggest room. But do you? But the only reason this is our bedroom is because we want the ensuite. Again, no mirrors or anything, so we will have to buy a few, but it's really like nice and modern. It's basically just a new build. But Dan wants to put her crate up here, so maybe we'll have 2. Maybe we'll have a crate downstairs and a crate. What do you think? Crate upstairs and downstairs?
No, just. Oh yeah, shit.
Because when we go out, I don't think she would want to be upstairs by herself. And then this is going to be my office.
Your office or our office?
My office, I think, plus dressing room as well. So some plug sockets there, so I'll probably just set up my desk. The only thing is, with the old space, like in our house currently, I have a desk and a window, and I look out of that window. Will I feel a little bit like I'm just staring at a blank wall? I'm not sure. I would probably have to have a think about that. But that is the house tour. Very, very exciting. So the one thing me and Dan do need to think about is wardrobes. We have rails at the moment. Yeah, I am. Sad that we're not doing the big move in today, but that is the house tour. Hope you've enjoyed. And I guess I'll give you some updates. We are determined to make... Wait there, Dora. We're determined to make this house as homely as possible. So stay tuned for all the little bits I get and basically do up this house. And before we go home, I've only got the Christmas tree up. How cute is that? Let me show you. Dora, do you like your new home? Look at me. Hey, do you like your new home? How cute. It's only it's not actually cheap, but it's just a Dun Elm Christmas tree. We got it last year and it does the job. So I'm going to finish it on Saturday when we're back. But yeah, how cute. And we're back home. We're a little bit sad that we're back home, I can't lie. Dan has made up this lovely stir fry whilst I was on a call with a client. We're going to put on It's All Her Fault, a series that we've been watching. If you need a series to watch, then definitely that. I'm going to do Vlogmas. 12 days of Vlogmas. I think that's achievable, no?
No.
I've got to prove Dan wrong. 12 days of vlogging. In December. This is day 1.
Look at that.
So if you want to see them, or you just want to see more of my videos, like, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to eat this. I know it's good. And I'll see you on the next one. Testing my new camera. Dora, should I swing it round? Hey, look at you. Look at you, you saying hello. I hope you've enjoyed the day 1 Vlogmas. I'm gonna go and pack this away because Dora will keep crying, but we've got the camera, Dora. We've got it working. See you on the next one.